Hey guys, welcome back to another vlog. And today,
It's not a vlog. Hey guys, what's up?
George and Noah
video? George and Noah TV.
Basically today, so we bought a can of Coke.
Just to prove to you it's real Coke.
Okay, it's got
bought from the convenience store.
Okay, wow, what's
65p Coke.
What's that? Okay, anyway, so what's some Coke?
So we're in Omar's roundabout today.
So we're gonna shake this.
Okay.
We're gonna shake this and open it, okay?
Wait. So, well, you didn't tell me about this. Wait, no, keep going back. Can't see the head. Keep going. No, that way. No, the other way.
Oh, just lean, okay?
Just film me.
Wait, I got it.
No, you need to film me, man, because I'm gonna.
No, I'm shaking it first.
Yeah, but.
Okay, you ready? Just film me, yeah? Okay, so up. Okay, so you ready?
Don't open it though.
That's not how you do it, pass. No,
Wait. Don't open it. No, pass, my turn. Okay, film.
Hopefully you enjoy the new nickel. I just did that as well.
You stupid.
Side. On the floor. Oh. Might be a problem.
That'll be fine.
Okay. George, come in this little area. What are you doing there? Come in here. Come in. Okay. God. Okay, open it now. Open it, you weirdo. This is a waste of money. Oh my gosh! Oh my god! Oh my gosh! My face! My face! Look at my face! My arms! I can't even drink this! Oh, it's not good! Oh!
How do you open it?
Oh my god. Wait, why have I zoomed in?
Oh, zoom out.
Right here. How do you do that?
Here it is.
How do you zoom out?
See that bit?
Oh my god.
Is that zooming out?
Yeah, I think so. Oh my god.
Oh yeah, it does come out.
I'll do that again. I got it. Oh my god. Okay, so guys, that was our little video. Hope you enjoy it. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and like. And we'll see you for another vlog. Bye. Bye.